Okay, I wanted to talk a little bit more about the your finding your own magic, finding your own special magic as a massage therapist. Um, and I said in the last video, it's because people have to like you. And I kind of was hesitant on that, and then I thought about it some more yesterday, and I was like, no, people have to like you. People need to like you for you to touch them. There's a subset of massage clients who only go for like pampering, for like a spa or like a gift card or their birthday, right? And they might not necessarily need to like you, but they probably still need to like you a little bit. But those aren't your money clients. Those aren't the clients that are going to keep making you money, right? So, if you want to actually build this recurrent client list, you need to have a relationship with them, a client therapeutic relationship with your client, so that they like you, so that you keep coming back to them. Anyways, so what that means is that you just got to be you. You just have to be you, and people will want to come back and see you, because it's like people come to you, they have a problem, you help them fix their problem, and while you're helping them fix their problem, you're talking to them about other things. So here, you come in for low back pain, great. I'm also going to teach you about your hamstrings and about how those are tight and how they could be contributing to your low back pain, right? I'm going to talk to you about how you're sitting at your desk a lot, because we're talking about what you do with your body all day. And I'm going to encourage you to find times in your day to move more, to stand up and stretch. Right? We're building a relationship. The more your authentic self, the more that you're going to attract people that are going to build a client list that you actually enjoy seeing. So you have to have your own special magic. And that's just being honest. That's just being true to yourself, having strong boundaries, having good self-esteem, having confidence, and being able to educate your clients about what makes you different. So things to think about. What are qualities that people often recognize and appreciate you for? What are things that friends say about you? What are things that past managers have said about you, or coworkers? Like, what are you known for? Are you known for being punctual? Are you known for always picking up after yourself? Are you known for, I'm trying to think about stuff, being kind, being funny, being somebody that they know will tell them the truth? Like, who are you to people in your life? Because that's the same stuff you're bringing to your client relationships. What personal experiences have shaped you and how you view healing, care, connection? So everything from your past shapes who you are today. If you allow the lessons from those experiences to come through, right? You got to do your work, you got to go back in, you got to do therapy, whatever, but you can bring all those experiences with you. So did you care for a sick parent when you were a kid and you have experience with chronic illness? Do you have a chronic illness? Does your partner? Maybe you had a bad injury that you recovered, you rehabbed yourself out of. Just trying to think of the word. Let's see, what patterns or details do you naturally pick up on that other people don't? Like, what are you always seeing that other people don't see? What are the things that you're noticing that other people aren't? That's your magic. And then what are a few words that describe how people tend to feel around you? So all of this is the foundational work that we do so that we can move into building client relationships in a way that feels authentic, true, and sustainable. Once you move into this space where you know who you are, you know what you offer, you have the confidence, and then we can move into building the narrative around it, right? The communication skills, the boundaries, how you shape your business, how you schedule your business, what your client interactions look like. But we want to make sure that all of those keep reflecting back your true authentic self, because that's what's going to make it sustainable. Massage therapists burn out because they try to use somebody else's guidelines for how a practice should be, or they try to look at a business that they idolize and they try to emulate it. But it's never going to work because you're a different person. So you have to do all of this, understanding yourself, understanding you as a massage therapist, understanding what you bring to the table, because that's what's going to attract your people, and that's what's going to help your clients like you. And if they like you and they're getting good results, they're just going to keep coming back.